Hello. Put me back on admin duty again. Wait, I don't have space. Thank you, Rafael. Thank you, thank you. Oh, ito, pahirapan po ko pa kayo. Tatayo ako. Ayan. Para mas mahirap pa. Para mas dumami yung tao. Tatayo ako. Ayan. 1K viewers. Let's go, guys. 1K viewers. Bunso, pasaway. Pasaway nga, opo. Bakit? Oh, ayan, tumataas na nga. Ini-enjoy ata to ni Loki. Opo. Okay, guys, kung may mananalo sa inyo, ha? Oh my gosh. Ang dami nagsishare ng live shoot, ha? Uy. Ayan na nga yung 1K. Hindi na ako maka-keep up. Hindi na talaga ako nakaka-keep up. Oh my God. Ang bilis na niya. Sige, pahinga ka muna dyan. Ano? Pahinga ka muna dyan, Wolf. Muscles ba? Muscles ba? Pa, nakita ko yan. Oh, she. Oh, she. What the fuck? Let's go 2K. Let's go 2K. Let's go. Padami na padami talaga, guys. Hello. What the fuck? 2K viewers, pasok. Salamat sa lahat ng nagsashare ng live ko. Tap the screen, share the live, guys. Salamat. Happy Kota, guys. Happy Kota. Shago, hello. Wala, hanggang 1-3 lang siya, guys. Parang hindi tumataas. Pero may 1 minute pa naman. Ano? 2K. Tap the screen, guys. Yan. Tony, thank you. Di na ako nakaka-keep up. Tama. Shoutout na lang sa lahat ng nandyan, guys. Me standing up doesn't help also, no? Wait lang, hindi ko na makita. 2K na, kaya nga. Ako, thank you. Wala pang 2K, 1-7 pa lang, 1-7. Tapang 2K. May 30 seconds pa, guys. Oh, 1-8, 1-8. Boom! Anong boom? Yes. Ayan yung 2K. Ayan na nga. Let's go, guys. Ina. 3K pa nga. $3K na nga. You have to go. Sige, ingat ka dyan, Wolf. Kawawa admin. Sino nanalo? Sino yan? Hindi ko kilala. Chatbox on steroids. Let's go, guys. Top 1. Top 1 nga. Bakit? Ewan ko kung bakit. Bots ata nanalo mukha nga. Pag si Loki nagpapa-lottery, laging 1K pataas yung viewers. Swerte talaga yan si Loki. Putik bots na nalo mukha nga. Basta 3K viewers, 50. Oo, alam ko yan. Kaso, kahit na. Good Sunday, thanks for the follow. Oh, ilan na naging followers ko? Magta 300 followers na ako. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jake. Anyways. Salamat, Loki. Kamusta araw mo? How are you? You standing absolute help. I know. That was the point. Thank you, Rafael. Salamat. That was the point of me standing up. Balik ako, bunso. Sige, go. Pahinga ka muna. Kaya ko na to. Kaya ko na to. Just checking, Bigo. Yeah? You busy working or something? Kenner, hello. Madrid, hi. Napagod na admin. Oo. Napagod na nga admin. Hi, Guzan. Just got home from work? Oh, nice. Go rest up, have dinner, you know, do your thing. Rio, hello. Happy quota. Thank you. Thank you. Sure. Thanks for the loyalty tickets. Guys, I'll check later everything because right now this app is blowing up. Like 300 new followers. Like, I need to sort this out first. 335, hello. I'm not complaining. But like, thank you for this good problem. I don't see any hosts that I hang out with though. You're welcome to hang out here anytime, Loki. You're welcome to hang out here anytime. Sa IG, oh my god, I'm scared to check my IG. I am scared to check my IG. I promise. Supporter, thanks for the follow. Should I check? Ari, hello. Should I check? Rob, hi. Lana, di mo na kami makikilala. Yung mga tumatambay dito, message na lang ako sa IG kung sino kayo. Sa Bigo, para ma-follow back ko kayo. I see that standing surge again. No, it's okay. I can't keep up with the comments if there's so many people here. It's too much. Sige, salamat. Salamat sa onting tulong na yun. Anyway, Loki, what do you like to do for fun after work? Just chilling on Bigo? Zoomy, hello. Biglang naging gil eh. Anong gil? Huh? Foggy, thank you for the follow. Come with you just standing. It's not just me standing. I already had a lot of viewers a while ago. I had like 700. And then someone did a lottery and then I made it worse by standing up. That's why. Pero host di nahirapan. Sige, ay di mo kilala. Hindi ko kilala. Sino yun? Bago lang siya dito. Ah, okay. Pakilala mo ako, Char. Is it, 007, hi. So yeah, that's what happened basically. Chan, hello! Pag may nagsend ng gift, gagayahin niya. Really? Wow. May ganun pala. Uncanny! Hi, Uncanny! Hey, how are you? What's up? How's your day? Lianos, thank you for the tap taps. You're good? That's great. That's great. Good morning or good evening? I'm not sure. And you? I'm just chilling. Just chilling like a villain. You know, the usual. Thank you for the follow. I'm actually gonna go out. Oh my god. Hold up. Ha! Magkalapit talaga tayo. Wag malito. Ayaw nga pala. Kalimutan ko. Did you ask something? Oh, I asked you, what are you up to right now? Or like, what do you do for fun? Nga pala, Uncanny, magkalapit nga lang tayo. Legs niya yun, tattoo. Lakong pake. Lakong pake. Sa malayo mukhang bad, opo. Kina-chan, hi Saki, thank you for the top tops. Yun, nerdy vibes.